Hello everybody, so we're going to take 3,279,421 and divide it by 53 using the flag division method. Okay, so I have one divisor digit 5, okay, and then I have one flag digit 3. Okay, so that's how that works, not a big deal. And then I'm going to put all my dividend figures except for the number 1 over here. One flag digit, one digit over there. This is going to be my remainder. So now I have 3, 2, 7, 9, 4, 2. Okay, so let's get started. How many times does 5 go into 30? We're going to say 6. 5 times 6 is 30, so there's 2 left over. Okay? Great. Now I'm ready to make my adjustment at this step. I have my gross dividend. I need to make an adjustment to get my actual dividend. So what I'm going to do is minus 3 times 6, my flag digit times my first quotient figure. So I get minus 18. Okay, and that just gets me 9. Great. Step 2, how many times does 5 go into 9? And we're going to say once. So 5 times 1 is 5, so therefore there's 4 left over. Okay, I'm ready to make my adjustment again. So it's going to be minus 3 times 1. I always take my flag digit times my most recent quotient figure. So 49 minus 3 is 46. And we repeat the process. How many times does 5 go into 46? Now, if I say 9, there's only going to be 1 left over. Okay, and then I believe we're going to have a negative right here, and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to say 8. This comes with experience. If you put 9, you're going to have to cancel that step and come back. So 5 times 8 is 40, so there's 6 left over. Okay, make my adjustment. 64 minus 8 times 3, right? So that's minus 24. So this works out nicely. It's just 60 minus 20 is 40. Great. How many times does 5 go into 40? We definitely don't want to say 8 because there's going to be none left over. We're definitely going to have a negative. So let's just say 7. 5 times 7 is 35, so there's 5 left over. One last adjustment, 52 minus 3 times my most recent quotient figure. 3 times 7 is 21. So I'm going to say minus 21, and I get 31. Okay? How many times does 5 go into 31? Okay? Again, we could say 6, and I believe that's going to lead to another negative remainder. So let's just go one down and say 5 times 5 is 25. So there's 6 left over now. Okay? One final adjustment. So I'm going to take my 61 minus 3 times 5. So that's going to give me 46, okay? And since this is my remainder, I just bring it down. So I put it right here. Great, so there we have it. This is our quotient. This is our remainder, okay? Erase this. Okay, so good job. It's a great method.